Okay guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So right now I am here outside from my house. So before we dive in this vlog, so first I would like to button up my shirt. Just the action of doing called I am buttoning up shirt. Actually I am struggling to buttoning up my shirt actually, as you can see, because I am buttoning up my shirt with one hand, right? So that is why I am struggle to button up. Yeah, so finally I have done to button up my shirt, and now it's time to rolling off my sleeves. Yeah, these two are my sleeves, right? But if it has no sleeves, that means sleeveless shirt, right? But it has sleeves, so that is why in order for you to teach, or in order for me to stress this block a bit longer, so I would like to teach English by using my sleeves of this shirt, right? So the action of doing is called I am rolling off my sleeves, right? So first one I have done, and the same thing I will have to do in my left hand, right? And by the way, there is a man who is coming just after finishing any work, but I am not sure. Okay, there are some bottles in this bag, right? Or actually the bag is called sack, right? Actually that was a huge sack, right? Huge sack, and in it there were a lot of bottles, as I told you earlier, right? Okay, so finally this is the place where my pets are grazing, right? So now as you can see, so first one is here and the next one is a bit ago, right? So now as you can see, and also there are some lady, and also here I would like to show you some ripe bananas, right? And they have kept here. This is called a banana, but right, it has some of bananas, they are unripe, and these are ripe, right? But should I eat without any asking? No, I do not want to eat. And there is a burden of something that is they have got actually to feed their pets, right? And that is a pets, and that is watching me, right? And now first I would like to move from there to next place so that they can graze more, right? But here some of you guys might have a question, who all are continuously watching me, and you all have a question, Nakul, why do you not consistent on this channel? Guys, actually currently I am working with my brother in a medical clinic shop with him, right? So that is why I couldn't make vlog, right? But right now today I am free, you can say. So that is why actually because of some reason, yeah, that is why I am free, and that is why I am recording this vlog. Okay, so let me first move this pet. Actually this is the female calf, right? And I have to move in order for him to graze more, right? Oi, how are you? And by the way, if you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know what this is called. This is called a bamboo pack, PEG pack, bamboo pack, right? Okay, so let me move him in next place where is so much grass than this place. The red one is the last one, and then I will go home, right? But today guys, I am recording, or I am filming. Filming is the American word you can use, right? But you guys see, I mostly use filming, right? Because I would like to sound like an American, right? So that is why I mostly prefer to use filming than recording, right? So that was the last one, and that I have done to move, and now it's time to go home. Yeah. And there is a guy who is always make fun of my English, right? And now he is also going to do the same work, right? And that I used to do a few days ago, right? But also these days actually I got fluency, so that is why simultaneously my sinus are healing, right? Okay, so let me go get back home. Okay guys, so right now I have got here in my house, and here you will get to see there are a bunch of pets, and that are called goats. What? Yeah, today I am filming this vlog with filter. Yeah. Do you guys know where I am going right now? Actually, my hands and feet are wet. So that is why right now I would like to go to my faucet to wash my feet, right? Yeah. Okay, here, see what I have got. Bunch of bananas, right? And going to my faucet. What this is called? This is called, actually there are lots of coriander, right? These are called coriander. Yes. And now this is the faucet and it's give us water. This is the handle of this faucet, and if I up down it's give us water, and you do with this whatever you would like to do, right? But right now I am not doing anything. No, I have already took a bath. Aye, it's a kid. Hey Bagni. Aye. Right now I have sat here along with this kid. Actually she has no one to playing with her, so that is why I am playing with her, right? Okay guys, so right now I got a call from my friend, and he says if you want to eat lettuce of mangoes, of unripe mangoes, so come here to eat. So that is why right now I am going. Just wear my slippers and going to my friends. मुड़िया तो हम इधर हम ले लड़ी ए तो खावे नहीं झाल को झाल देखा दी आपको हाँ ना ए गाने जिंदा बाबू now it's my turn. Okay guys, so it's running right now. Also I am recording this video while taking a bath. Okay guys, so right now I just got back home, and I am thinking about taking a shower in the rain. Now as you can see, okay, I'm going to show you. Yeah, it's raining right now. Can you guys see? Yeah, little bit. Yeah. ये बहान देखो, she is kind of a girl. She is a naughty girl. So now I want you to read out loud by reading ABCD. चल ABCD पढ़.
This is how it.
Wow. आर की सीखी ABCD आप लेखा बाजी आप ओवाला पढ़. Wow. आर की सीखी बता. कोखोला पढ़. और फिर से फिर से ले चांस. अक्षर गया. Now I want you to got off from my back. Okay guys, this is called an envelope, and it has turmeric, right? Turmeric powder that we use in order for us to cook vegetables, right? Okay, so let's learn English by using kid. Yeah. So now there is a kid, right? It's a kid, guys. If you guys not sure if it is a boy or girl, right? Then you can say who is it? Who is it? Yeah. You can ask to someone saying who is it, right? By the way, you can guess, and you tell me guys in the comment if it is a boy or a girl, right? Guys, she is kind of a girl. Actually, she is my niece, right? Yeah, Bhagni. She is kind of a Bhagni who always bother me a lot. Yes, Now I want her to got up from my back, but she doesn't listen to me. So that is why, hey, don't make me angry, right?
नहीं उतरेंगे.
Yeah. What's the name of these vegetables? You guys let me know in the comment, because I have showed you many a time in my previous vlog, right? So that is why today I want you to please you tell me what this is called in English, right? Now this is called a scissor in English, yeah, but I don't know the specific name of this tool, but yeah. So now she is going to chop all of these pointed gourd, by the way they are called, right? Yes. So now I have received from Flipkart, now as you can see, for 266 rupees, right? And by the way, these all are sleeveless shirt, right? Okay guys, so right now I just had lunch. Actually, if I talk about having a shower, this morning I had took a shower, but that is why I skip right now, right? Actually, and today is very normal day, right? So that is why I right now skip to take a bath. Actually, she says I also want to come into frame, so that is why I am showing you.
Hi.
Okay, so just after having lunch, I have come here just for as a hangout. Okay guys, so right now again I have come here actually outside from my house, and do you know why I have come here? Actually, this time is to go to my pets, the pets that I have showed you earlier, right? And now a few moments or 2 or 3 hours later I will get my entire pets, right? Yeah. So that is why actually it's 4 o'clock and this time to go to my pets to graze, right? And just after grazing in time I will get them. So for now I am going, right? Okay, so first let me get there and then I will teach some English sentences if I get chance to talk there, right? So keep on watching. Okay guys, so right now I have got here the place where my pets are grazing. So now as you can see, and by the way the weather is amazing, right? Yes, today it is very beautiful view, means it is very good to be outside. Yes. Okay guys, so I don't think I can teach you English here, right? Because there is nothing, anything or object so that I can teach you English, right? So that is why guys, I think that's all for today, and I hope you got something learn. If you did, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of relevant content. So by the way, that's all for today, and bye bye.